So yet another ICT tool is the tablet, another very common ICT tool that most of the people make use every day. These tablets are the combinations of the mobile and the small computer. That is, this is two in one. You can make use of this tablet as a computer as well as a mobile. Though the functionality of this is same to this computer and the smartphone, but it has got number of benefits. The number of benefits are there that in a smartphone you do not get a large display. So this has got a bigger screen, bigger display than the smartphone, but for sure this has a display that is smaller than the laptop or your PCs, but it has a display that is larger than the smartphone. So in case of the display, it is better than the smartphone. The tablets may not be versatile as laptops or computers in functionality, but they are portable. They are less bulky, they are not heavy, and they have a longer battery life. And because of this longer battery life, they are preferred more, and they are easy to carry from one place to another because they are less bulky. They are thinner than the laptops, even they are light in weight than the laptops. So some of the tablets, most every of the tablet has its own keyboard, but some of the tablets will come with extra portable keyboard, and this can be attached for quick typing. For quick typing, you can have the extra portable keyboard, and this is useful for reading ebooks. If you want to read ebooks, you want to watch movies, you can make use of the tablet better than the smartphone because it has got a larger display and also a good resolution in comparison to the smartphone. Then moving ahead, we have the another ICT technology, that is TV and radio. TVs and radios also we are very much familiar with this. A TV or a television is also an electronic device. This receives the visual and the audio signals and plays those audio and the visual signals for the viewers. They receive the signals and let the viewer to see them. TVs and radios are basically used for the entertainment purposes. You may watch the movies, serials, you can have the lectures, cartoons, weather forecast, news, and many more things. So along with the entertainment, you can watch the movies, serials and all that, but along with the entertainment we are seeing that this is an informative device also. Informative device because you can have the news also, you can have the forecast also, you can have the lectures also on this one. So this is an informative as well as entertainment purpose device. And the good thing is that these televisions, they broadcast the news with the regional as well as global levels. So one remains updated about the world. These TVs are also used for online contents, stream online content using Amazon Prime, Netflix or YouTube, which you must have seen nowadays. Netflix is becoming popular and popular day by day. And in the areas where there is limited access to internet, radio stations, they play a major role. Most of the people nowadays keep themselves in touch with the world through the internet, through the news that is broadcasted on the internet. But the places where internet facility is not there, the sharing of the news, the sharing of the educational information, that all is done by the radio stations. The good thing about the radios are they are low cost and they immediately catches the attention of the listeners. And you can use these radios also for multiple purposes, like for listening music, speeches, you can have the sports commentaries, you can listen to the stories. But due to the increase increasing technology, these radios also need to be changed. So therefore, because of this, now the radios are installed in the toys, satellites, and radars also. This is about the radio and television, one of the very common ICT tool or ICT technology. Next, we move ahead and we have some of the applications or apps in the ICT tools. Now, what actually an app is, what an application is, it is actually application, and in short we call them as app. App is a software program or set of instructions to perform a particular function. Set of programs that are written in order to perform a task, in order to do a job. And these applications or the apps, they can run through the web browser, or even they run offline on our systems, on our computers, or they may run on the smartphones, they may run on the tablets, or any of the other electronic device like the smart TVs and the smart watches. So number of applications are available to us, and these applications can be downloaded from Google Play Store for Android and Apple App Store for the Apple user. Now let us have a look at the default apps which are stored on a smartphone. So some default apps that you will find on the smartphones are phone for calling, calendar to show you the dates and the months. You have the cameras for clicking the photos and taking the videos. We have the mail to receive and send the mail. We have music for listening the songs or even to download the songs. We have messages for sending and receiving SMS, short message services. We have the gallery, that's the collection of your photos and videos. It keeps your all the photos and videos within itself. You have the map. You have the map for the GPS positioning for the traffics on the road. We have the clock to see the time, to set the timers, to set the alarm, and which can be adjusted according to any local time of any part of the world. Then again, we have the web browsers. These web browsers for surfing the net. We have the Google Play Store for the Android users to download the various kinds of app. We have Apple Store only for the Apple devices to install its applications, to install its app. So these are the some of the common default apps that are stored on a smartphone.